Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to insert SIM card and SD card in your HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite device. So let's take a look how to do that. Make sure in this HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite device you can add two SIM card or one SIM card and one SD card. So first of all I will suggest you to power off your device for your safety, In the left side corner you will see here is a slot. Simply use any pin you will get within your phone box, or you can use any official pin. Just simply press here and then a slot will be come out. After that, here whatever you would like to, if you like to add two SIM card, you can do so. For that you just put your two SIM card here like this, and you can use your two SIM card in your HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite device. Also, if you want to add one SIM card or one, this is how you can use two SIM card in a HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite device, but you can't use two SIM card and SD card one time. You have to remove this slot one, and then you can add your SD card on this device, and then easily you can put your SIM card and SD card and simply press here to go inside. So this is how you can add SIM card and SD card in your HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite device. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.